Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about operations on files. So operations on file, that is one of the most important topic of Java, and I hope this video is going to help you. So let us start with the definition of file. Data that need to be stored permanently must be stored in files. File operations can be performed on two types of files, that is text file and binary files. Text file stores characters as per specific encoding character encoding scheme. Example Unicode. As you know, Java uses Unicode. So the files, the information which we store in text file is stored in Unicode format. But the binary file stores information in machine readable form. That means the form which directly we cannot read, but a machine can read it. Okay, or we can read these files with the help of programs. So writing output to a file or obtaining input from a file can be performed on both the type of file. That means the output and input operation we can perform on both the type of file. So we have a various predefined classes for this purpose. Suppose if you want to create text file for output purpose. So we need a set of classes: FileWriter, BufferWriter and PrintWriter. These all classes are the part of java.io package. In the same way, if you want to do input operation on a text file, so we need FileWriter, FileReader and BufferReader classes. Okay, for all the text file, the extension is .txt. Now, a binary file you want to create with .dat extension for output purpose, so file output stream and data output stream, these classes are used. And if you want to perform input operation on binary file, so file input stream and data input stream, these sets of classes are required. So let us take the help of program to understand this concept. Write a program to input roll number, name and total marks of 3 students and store them in a file record.txt. So we are going to create a file for output operation, text file. As you can see here, extension of the file is .txt. So firstly we'll import java.util package for scanner class, then java.io, because we are going to use FileWriter and BufferWriter classes. Now class file public static void main. Throws exception is needed here because we are going to use java.io package. So as you know, when we use java.io package, throwing exception is compulsory. Using try and catch block is optional, but throwing exception is compulsory. Now scanner object. Then we'll make FileWriter object, FileWriter fw is equal to new FileWriter record.txt comma true. Here record.txt is the file which is to be created, and comma true indicates if the file already exists, it is going to add more information in the same file without overwriting it. If we don't write true, so the record will be overwritten. So that's why generally we prefer true. So in that way we can add more information without removing the previous information. Now we'll make another object BufferWriter. bw is equal to new BufferWriter, and we'll make a link of the previous object with this. Now the third object PrintWriter, pw is equal to new PrintWriter bw. Here we'll make a link of the previous object. Now, so these three classes are used for the output operation of a text file, and this object is needed for the input using a scanner. Now as in question it is given, we have to take the input of 3 students. So a loop is required for I equal to 1, I less or equal to 3, I plus plus. We'll take the input of roll number, store in rn variable. Then we'll take the input of name, store in name variable. Take the input of total marks, store in tm variable. Now these information we have to write in a file. As you know, if we want to display something on the screen, so we write system.out.println. But these informations we have to write in a file. So instead of system.out, we are going to use the name of the object for PrintWriter class. In this program it is pw. That means pw object will write information in the file using print or println command. So here we'll write pw.println roll number plus slash t plus name plus slash t plus tm. So these informations are written in the file record.txt. Now end of for pw.close, we'll close the stream object, and after that end of main, end of class. So this is the program to write information in a file record.txt.